let's run.
I think dive would be great on this.
Yeah, we could run dive. I don't know if we pull it off any better than them.
I'm gonna work on killing Farah.
I mean, if we're
Alright,
gonna
I'm
go with
gonna
McCree, we could do
spectate you
Death
then.
Ball.
Same.
Do you guys, if we're doing McCree, do you guys want to do Death Ball?
Okay, we could try that.
Okay, that's Reinhardt, Roadhog, Soldier, McCree, Mercy, Lucio.
Roadhog.
That's what Death Ball is.
Roadhog.
Would you like Mercy or Lucio?
It doesn't matter to me right now.
Pick the one that you feel in your heart. You don't wanna, like, maybe you don't wanna play Mercy anymore, because playing Mercy's rough.
I prefer her over almost every other one still.
Alright, so do you all know the callouts for this map?
No.
No.
Okay.
We can push far left if you want. That seems to be the
Part of this, honestly, I
Go
think
over here.
this part is a little having fun because we're
Yeah.
not doing this map.
There's another hero that starts with an M.
Moira?
Yeah, that's Death Ball now.
Can.
Literally has a ball of death.
Alright, where do we go? Do we go through
Yeah,
Lost
dude.
Found Vikings on the left, or do we go through
It's
the main?
150 healing per
like-
second if you shoot out your orb and left click.
Let's try going down main. If it doesn't work, we'll see.
Alright. Main is, yeah.
We have the shield. No reason not to.
This map is so shitty.
Not sure where they are. Watch for behind.
Going forward and then
Just
the
keep
points
going.
behind.
I think they're behind us.
I
Oh, they're all in
don't-
point, all in
I
point.
don't trust like this. Are they
They
running
have so
Octane?
many
Fall out, fall out,
tanks,
fall out.
yeah. Back up.
Back.
I'm trying to heal you guys.
Where's the
They have
high
hog
ground?
also.
High ground's up here, up these stairs.
Light of Duskwood.
Where are we going? Ah. Oh, lucky.
We should probably just pull a
Yeah,
Reaper Farah.
Yeah, Reaper Fire. I'm just gonna let him kill me.
I'm gonna go Zen.
Reaper Fire. No point in keeping the shield.
Okay.
Yeah. Reaper Fire, Diva.
Yeah, okay.
Which I got?
Monkey.
Monkey.
Hog is actually.
Alright.
There's no point in keeping the shield with the pharmacy. Okay. I'm going forward with progress.
Ryan's on the left side, like hiding in the
I'll see what they're.
Nyak space.
Naxxramas.
Yeah.
They're top left.
There's a
Yeah, they're going
upper,
top left.
Yeah. That's
They're
where
hog
they
fell.
are.
There's more ult.
Ow.
Watch for hog top left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't commit to this.
Okay.
Get out if you can.
Yeah, I have no idea how to.
Oh.
I've barely played this map. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Okay.
Do we go around right? I don't know. I don't know what's over
Yeah,
here.
let's go
Yeah.
through flight to Duskwood.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, no hook.
Hog's discorded.
Alright, I'm ready to
Oh,
jump.
no.
Jumping.
He's back left.
On point.
Hooks up. Ryan,
Let's
Ryan.
go look. No, never mind.
Oh, excuse me. Don't tell me I wasn't out of the range for that. Alright, let's try push. We've gotten rid of the Diva ult. It's almost guaranteed the rest of them have it.
Hog just killed
go
himself.
really aggressive
Mad.
onto the back line.
Hog killed himself. Alright,
Alright.
we're gonna ult.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna
you
jump
want it.
over. Watch a point from here.
You have a grab.
Actually, I guess we need to commit. We only have 3 seconds.
She's discorded.
Sorry, he's going for ult, I think. She's low. Focus her. Good.
Zarya's discorded.
Diva?
Steve's discorded. Hog's discorded.
On the boat.
Alright, excellent.
Lucio, focus Lucio.
now?
Good.
Thank you.
No. Where's the hog?
Okay.
Did he
He's
fall
dead.
back? Okay.
Yeah.
Here's there's that big roly-poly boy.
Well, he did jump off, so
I like Pharah very much on this next point. Stay conservative until we get our D.Va mech back.
Funny.
I'm talking to your tanks.
Why is this map so open like this? What the fuck?
I don't know. Long sight lines, but also no cover. They're setting up on the high ground.
It's a Widow.
Watch for hog hook.
Hog's discorded.
Focus him. He's too far up.
Hog is way out of position.
Punish
Get
up.
him.
He's less than half.
D.Va's discorded.
Yep. Lighten her up.
I'm gonna wait for that hook. Okay, hog no hook.
Okay. Looks up there.
Oh, wait, block it. No matter where I go.
Ryan's still discorded.
It's just unfortunate. Like, that's the only time they can kill the Pharmacy is with the D.Va ult.
Yeah, we're at 5 ults.
Alright.
Hog flanking from west.
Okay, let's punish him first and then start moving. Where's he at?
He's getting back. Oh
Okay.
yeah,
He's on side.
he's on cart.
I'm gonna ult this in. I know they don't have
Hog
D.Va ult.
discorded.
Go.
I'm gonna
Focus
push
that line.
Reinhardt towards you guys.
Reinhardt's discorded. Hog's discorded.
Oh,
You
I
only have Lucio
wasted
for
that.
heals.
I'm sorry. Hog is low right side.
One.
Good. Focus Zarya.
Zarya's discorded.
He's on the back. Punish that.
Alright, push cart. Gonna jump on Zarya. Zarya's low. Zarya's low.
I got you still.
She's one. Good.
We don't need to be. No one's on payload. No one is
Yeah,
on
yeah.
payload. We don't need to be this far up.
Alright, hog no hook.
Alright, let's stay up. Be ready to drop for that D.Va ult. They're coming up top.
Yep, up top.
Just stay on the payload. Don't get distracted.
Next.
We'll push them off the
Hog on
top ground. The Pharmacy will push us off the top ground. Stay on the payload.
Or is one?
Focus at D.Va though.
You got for Earth Shatter?
Excellent.
Oh, I thought my.
Hog's low.
Reinhardt's discorded.
Like every single that's
You got the shatter.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't res that.
Ryan's still discorded. He's one,
Right.
please.
This way.
nerve.
15 seconds, guys.
This guy.
I got this gun.
That didn't work out.
This... Yes.
Trying to get on point.
Not terrible though. Got the first point.
For first time, this seems okay. Yeah, not bad.
Point is very definitely weak, so
Long sight lines.
What time is it now?
Should have played Genji. Feels like
30.
Genji now.
Genji, that would not work onto that.
Alright, they're running 4 tanks.
Do we want to run Junkrat, Ursa, Hog? Possibly even 3 tanks.
Or
Or Symmetra.
I'll say that the 4 tank is hard to counter, even with a
Alright.
Reaper.
Hey, who plays what?
So it's actually just get better at that comp.
Yeah, okay. So quad tank is traditionally. Let me check my ninja info cards. D.Va, Reinhardt, Roadhog, Zarya, Lucio, Moira.
it's literally what their comp was. You know,
Wait, what?
Do we want to try
We're on
quad tank? Yeah, we're on attack. I guess.
Again?
Wait, we shouldn't be on attack.
Since wait, what?
The absolute heck.
Yeah, why are you on attack again?
Oh, okay, there we go.
We got
Instantly
this.
switched. Alright, we're in Heroes of the Storm arcade.
Okay. Can we try triple tank with Moira and then Pharmacy?
Sure. You wanted which ones? Hog or Orisa or Ryan? I missed that
Mm,
part.
let's. What do you feel? Like, is it more
I
important to
think
have
Ryan's
like
probably better.
the big shield? Okay.
I think with the mobility, if we're gonna be moving around a bit.
Can't go up there.
What?
Boost
I-
this
oh yeah, that's right.
dot. I can. Look. Alright.
They're not so good at countering the Pharmacy, so.
Can we get in these little things?
This map is so beautiful. I just want to like go and spend a day here.
Just in the map,
I don't know.
not even the real Blizzard
Yeah.
world.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
I want like a
Don't
real
forget-
Blizzard world.
Jeff Kaplan is
Listen.
living in 2070. He already knows that.
It already exists for him.
This is just a sneak peek in the future.
Yeah, sneak.
Alright,
Alright, come around.
set up. Do you want to set up where they set up, or do you want to set up top? Let's set up top. Let's do it.
Where?
Up top. Yeah, top left.
Here? Oh, okay.
Yeah, where you is. You
You'd be
good.
sneaky though.
Except for
I gotta-
Pharmacy.
Alright, they're going for main.
I lost my Pharah.
She's up, I assume.
Got it.
They have Genji.
I think they got dive a little bit.
Ow.
They got Genji Diva Winston. Yep, they got dive.
They're going through.
wanna
And a
Drop.
Hanzo. Hanzo's Zen's half health and
Point
back.
now.
Okay, come. Gotcha. Hanzo scatter down.
Diva, focus Diva.
Diva.
Shit. Using a mech. She's dead.
Nice.
Hanzo now. Excellent.
Winston's up behind.
Genji
Force,
and Winston
force.
are still back here.
Punch the
Okay.
Winston.
Punish them for this.
You're healing out
Genji's
22.
still a boat.
Yeah. Come down
gotta
here.
Drop
Whoa.
down.
Fly towards the
Progress.
ball.
'Cause I
I
died.
just like good, nice job.
Oh!
Punch the Winston.
Kill the Winston. Kill the Winston.
He's what? He's low at least. He's out.
What? How did the Winston get out? He's like right in the middle of us.
What the?
Hey, Winston
Jump when
behind
you
us.
can. Progress. Jump. I mean,
He's dead. Progress is dead.
He's rezzed.
Winston.
Winston, punch him now.
Knock them down. I'm pushed up right side. Focus Diva.
No, come out.
We're good.
Nice. I almost have grab.
Scatter down. Thanks.
Hanzo movie posters.
Yeah, get that Hans. Don't let him live through this.
Yeah, oh no, I'm.
Nice, good.
Nice.
I didn't get
Come
the
back. Nope.
I think I hit scan now.
We still have dive for
They
Winston
do.
deal.
Whoa.
Fall back.
Wait, they have soldier.
Okay.
Okay,
high
fall back to
pro.
point. Fall back to point now.
Lower.
Oh wait, soldier.
I'm gonna grab. I could grab.
Do it when you feel it's right.
No, it got eaten.
We shouldn't commit any more to this.
No.
So you can get back and spawn.
See, this is why I hate Diva. You just literally right click and then you could just like do that.
It's a counter.
Yeah. You gotta get her out of mech first, or shoot it away.
Yeah, but she didn't even time it. She just randomly right click. It didn't even anticipate
mean,
it.
You
You were
kinda
pretty
figured-
aggressive, right?
Yeah.
If you want to get out of the air and go to Junkrat, I'm fine with that.
Never get out of the air, progress.
Where are we holding
Seriously, why
him?
are you dying?
I'm healing him.
I
Maybe
really
up top
hope
should be. I don't know. What are we doing?
This man.
I want to hold on main.
What is this man?
Okay, I'll drop down
Only
with
half
you.
of us
They're
are
gonna
mobile
choke
enough to
right
get
now.
up
They're
there.
gonna choke right now.
Good.
Deeps out.
Push
Nice
up.
pick.
What's top?
Push up, push up, push up, push up.
Han's his upper. He's on top of the thing. Help! He's
Where's
going
Hanzo?
No,
up.
you mean
I'll
siege
go top
tank.
this.
Siege tank.
I'm not there for you guys.
Are you kidding?
Yeah.
Grab
that's
again.
the Grandmaster.
I'm sending
lucky.
him flying.
Your spawn is really close. So.
Someone kill the soldier out of position.
No, we gotta regroup here.
This one?
Nice.
Wait.
All right, let's change comps.
Can we get Junkrat, Zarya? Got Zarya, Roadhog. I want a Junkrat. Play around the shields rat.
That Bray's going down. Drop him.
Which means you don't have to stay on Mercy.
Watch for Winston left
They
side.
already won, technically.
Winston close left.
I want Winston.
Let's punish him.
Soldier on the pylon.
Winston half left side. Winston low left side. Soldier top right. Oh, they got three rippers.
Soldier above us.
Pylon again.
No.
Dude's down. Winston's
Okay,
coming back.
that was
Winston's coming back. Focus him.
but forced out trans.
They've taken high ground. It's gonna be a problem.
He ran away from me. I was 1v1ing him. Oh, I'm so scared.
Ah, just kill yourself.
I'd probably just die.
Can we
It's
go?
fine.
Yeah.
I'll 1v1.
So-
I actually like this.
Alright, they're gonna have a flanker. They'll probably have a flanker, like a flanking soldier over there. So look out. Can you?
No, he's just on main at the moment.
Alright. But once they push in, it's probably. They have a Sonic.
Winston
In
top.
this corner.
Winston right up top, right above us. Focus Winston.
Finish Winston.
Warrior right close.
I
the
knew
post.
there was a reason he was being so aggressive.
They're even aiming at me. What the fuck?
Yeah, this is
What
why
do we
they're
do?
fucking nerfing Hanzo, because he's dogs.
What do we do? Do we keep it?
Yeah, do you want to switch to dive? It's our only chance.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my fucking god, he's just tilting as hell. I fucking hate
Well,
that
because
hero.
Hanzo doesn't have to
shit.
fucking aim.
Look like it.
Hanzo's one. Soldier ulting. Nice. Good.
D.Va flanking.
No more ults, please.
Oh, we got it though.
Alright.
I'm gonna switch to Zenyatta. Actually, Soldier discorded down main. Ow!
Unlucky.
Fuck!
She ate my freaking.
You guys aren't very smart, but they're better than us.
I didn't know where the entrance was to the spawn.
I don't know what any of this is. This is retarded.
Why are we playing this map?
I know. This is so stupid.
This is not like this.
It's not
This doesn't benefit us in
fun.
any way.
I don't know what we're doing.
Doesn't benefit them either.
Right, but a lot of you were overextending a lot. Every single person I spectated was overextended. At one point.
Because we don't know the difference between overextended or not on this map.
Except for turfing, you weren't.
Always. Always, never
And
overextended.
Agent wasn't really either, but DPS were and sports were.
You guys want to do a hybrid? You want Eichenwald or Hollywood?
Both is fine.
Have we done Hollywood or Eichenwald more?
We've done
Let's do
Eichenwald more.
We should do Hollywood then.
It's like I remember the time when Winston was literally like right in front of us, like he was like right inside our team alone, and we didn't really punish him. We didn't even kill him.
They're playing really overconfident. We're letting them.
Yeah, I think we played Eichenwald either last scrim or the one before. I don't think we played Hollywood in quite a while.
Yeah,
No worries, no worries, no worries. I didn't see you in chat already. I
Yeah,
know someone
okay.
just left it.
God.